everyone. So today we're going to draw a puppy with a bone in front of him. So first we're going to start out with the head. So we're just going to start up here, and then we're going to kind of make like a oval shape, but it's going to go in a little bit, like where his snout would be. So kind of like that. And then we'll go ahead and put some ears on our puppy. So this puppy's going to have floppy ears. So we're just going to curve around just like that. And then we'll go ahead and give on the other side. All right, and then we're going to give this puppy really big eyes. Just draw two big ovals, and then we'll put the pupil in the middle. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and add a nose. And then his mouth. To make it a happy puppy. We're going to give him a little tongue too. All right, next we'll go ahead and do his body. So we're going to start from the front. Just kind of curve out a little bit, and then we're going to come in and draw his leg, and then a little paw at the bottom, and then we're going to come up and then draw part of the top of his leg. All right, so then we're going to draw another leg in the back, just like that, and we're going to draw his back. We're just going to come down like this, and then just like that, and give him a little tail. And we're going to draw his back foot, and then his leg, and his body, and then another foot in the background. And give him little toes. And then we're going to go ahead and draw a bone for him. So first we're going to start with, it's kind of like a 3. And then we're just going to go across like that, and then a backwards 3 on the other side. Just like that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and outline our puppy with our black marker. Just be careful with the eyes because it's a pretty small area. I'm just going to go ahead and color his pupils in black. See that little tiny little white spot on his eyes. And then his mouth, his tongue. And we'll go over to his body. Little toes. And then our bone over here. All right. Next, we'll go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines. All right, and then we'll go ahead and color our puppy. All right, so I think I'm just gonna use black for his nose. Just go ahead and color that in black. And then, of course, we'll give him a little pink tongue. And I'm gonna go ahead and use brown for this puppy. Of course, you can use any color that you want to use. But also just leave him white if you want. Alright, I'm going to do his body. Be careful on that little tail. Okay, and that's it. And that's how you draw a puppy with a bone. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.